Hi, my name is Mohammad Anwarul Haq and this is our semester project BFS routing algorithm. Now, I will open first main code. This is my BFS routing algorithm code. And this is graph code for CLI interface. Now, I will run this intieilij idea, then I will run it in jar file. It runs successfully. I will add some nodes. After that, I will add edges to them. I will find the shortest path between A and B. And there it is. Now let's go to run it in jar file. This is my project folder where jar is located. Now I will run it by double click. And here it is. Now I will generate random graph. After that I will find some shortest path between A to C. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.